Hi everyone, welcome to Dine Story. When talking about Sri Lankan food, Watalappam comes as a first dessert in your mind because Watalappam is a traditional for Eid celebration and enjoyed by all community. Let's get started. Let's go to the ingredients. 5 to 6 cloves, 6 to 8 cardamom, small nutmeg, Kithul Jaggery 200 grams, shred this and keep. Cashew nut 50 grams, 10 eggs, fresh coconut milk 150 ml or 1 teacup, 300 gram sugar, now let's make a sugar syrup. Add 3 tablespoons sugar in a low flame. Keep stirring until the sugar melts. It will take some time. Now the sugar is melted. Keep stirring and it will get a darker color and bubbles will come. Add half a teacup water and then stir little more and the sugar syrup is ready now. Let the sugar syrup cool down. In a low flame, roast all the spices and make it powder. I'm going to use the grinder. Add 1 egg at a time. Use the whisk, then only we get the bubbles and the syrup pouring out texture we will get it. Give it a light whisk, don't overbeat it. Now see the bubbles are coming up. In the egg mixture, we are going to put all the sugars, which is 300 grams, and give it a whisk until the sugar dissolve. Now the sugar syrup is cooled down. Let's mix it with the egg syrup. After adding the sugar syrup, give it a little whisk. The next step is we are going to strain the mixture. When you strain, you can see the small parts from the sugar syrup, also small pieces from the egg white, which gives the egg smell. Everything will be drained in this one. Now add the shredded jaggery. Add the 150 ml coconut thick fresh milk. Original darker color Kithul Jaggery, it will quickly dissolve if it's very soft. I'm going to steam the vatlappam in this bowl, so I'm transferring the mixture. Here I'm adding some of cashew nut and plums. So while you are serving, it will give a good taste with the cashew nuts. Now the Vattalappam mixture is ready to steam. I'm going to steam in a steamer, so I will not cover on the top. If you are going to steam in a direct water, cover it with the foiling paper so the water will not go inside the Vattalappam mixture. In a medium flame, steam it for 30 to 35 minutes. After 20 minutes, when the Vattalappam is half cooked, add the nuts and the plums. Plums is optional. I add the plums as my kids like it. Now let's check the Vattalappam. It's done now. Let's take it out. Before take it out, you can add some more cashew nut for garnish. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Like and share it with friends and family. See you on next video.